In this video, you're going to see how to enable edge lighting on your Motorola mobile phone and also how to customize it by changing colors and more settings. To avoid any confusion, just follow the steps I'm about to show you in this video. First, open the settings on your Motorola phone, then scroll down and tap on display option. Once again, scroll down and you will see the edge option. Tap on it and make sure it is turned on. Now, to make more changes, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left corner to reveal even more options. Here, you can change the colors as you like. You can also enable or disable edge lighting for incoming calls, alarms, app notifications, and more. There are additional lighting options too. For example, you can choose whether the light should appear at full brightness when the screen is facing down or show only when the screen is facing down, or even schedule a specific time for when these lights should appear. Adjust everything according to your needs and that's it. This is how you can enable edge lighting and customize the colors and effects on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips, tricks and gadget reviews on this channel.